More turtle feeding. Oh man, you can actually hear them crunch. It's really disgusting. Oh god, poor turtles. Turtles are having a great time. Poor crickets. Alright, so Leonardo got a few. Raphael over there, he's doing alright. He got one. You ruthless killer, you.
Where's that?
Donatello's over.
Oh, you missed.
Donatello's over there. He's kind of confused. I think he's trying to turn around. And Michelangelo's been getting most of them. He's eaten like 3 already. Yeah, you. I'm talking about you. Hello. Yeah. Ruthless. Oh my god, Leonardo's pooping.
Really? Is that a poop?
That's a poop. It's coming out of his butt. It's obviously a poop. Yeah, it's a poop.
You gotta take it out?
Yeah, I think we should clean it. That is definitely a poop.
That's your job.
Oh, nuts. Man, gross, Leonardo. Why you gotta do that to me, buddy? Oh, you got a dingleberry. Gross, man. Meanwhile, Donatello. Well, that's it for turtle feeding. I guess they're done. Gross. Poor crickets. Alrighty. See you again tomorrow, guys.